Hey everybody, it's Two Souls again, and today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. So the bag that I currently am using, which I'm trying to replace, is the spray ground like 3M wing backpack, excuse me. I love the backpack for what it is. I just want one that's not as bright and that's not as, it gets in the way of things. Like this wing here kind of knocks stuff over sometimes. So I'm trying to find a backpack that has the same amount of room for all of my camera equipment, plus like another sweater maybe, or some shoes. So I'm gonna do a rundown from right to left, or I guess your guys' left too. You're right? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But we're gonna start with the wires first. Off I have a USB cord which goes for something here, and then a just regular iPhone earpods, a charger for my cameras, or the wire for it, and then a Razer Team Liquid mouse for my laptop. Now camera equipment, I have this Joby tripod which I'm currently not liking because it just is annoying to have to fix every now and then. And then here I have a 75 by 300 lens. I call it my super zoom lens because it can go out really far. And then an 18 by 55 lens, which is actually what I'm using for the camera that you're looking at me with right now, just with a wide angle filter on there. And then the other camera I have is a Canon T5, which isn't as good as the one I'm using now. The one I'm using is a T5i, which is my normal vlog setup for now. And then I have my camera charger, which is what that wire was for. 2 batteries, one for the T5i and then just for the T5, and then an extra SD card, a thumb drive, and then like a SD card reader. And then let's see, I have a camera starter kit for cleaning and writing down some spray. And then I have this, which is a very, very, very essential part of my bag, is crep wipes. They are super, super essential for me. Always keep an entire pack like that in my backpack. Next I have contacts, which I always keep on me just in case mine fall out. Now another thing is that I have is Gucci glasses that I wear when it's super, super sunny out. And I keep a majority of this in a fake like laptop case. When I'm out, I like to carry my Supreme Comme des Garçons wallet. Also, if I have enough time, I use a notepad to write down my ideas and just notes. Now, more than half of the time, I actually wear this with my backpack. It's my Supreme little pouch camera bag that I carry change in and my earbuds in. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching this part of the vlog, and peace. So we're actually starting going out doing what I usually do pretty late today. It's almost 7, 30 minutes to 7. Me, or my friends, my brother and I are going to go to a bonfire at our state beach, and I'll show you everything that we're going to do tonight, as well as all the food that we have. They're handling the drinks, we're handling the food, so that's why there's no drinks here. I'll see you then. So the first thing that we have is honey graham crackers, and then we have 2 big old bags of marshmallows. Those in there. And then we have turkey hot dogs for my brother, then regular hot dogs for us, then bag of hot dog buns, mustard, ketchup, sea salt potato chips, hot Cheetos, chili cheese, Fritos, these wooden skewer things, and then actual metal, which won't fit in there. That's all we're bringing, and we'll see you there. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's super foggy at the pier. Like, you can't even see Dana Point from here. Oh, you can barely even see the train. I'll try to show you guys. Let's see. Let's see if it'll do any justice. Oh, there's the train. You can't even see it. Dana Point's supposed to be that way. You can't see it at all.